If you are looking for a service where you could have cloud storage at an excellent price, I went to Google, and for, I think it's in South African rands, it's about 300 rand. I got 100 gigs of storage, and that's nicely integrated to all the cloud services. But I'm going to show you a service here that you can get 100 gigs for free. It is quite awesome, and then you can up that to about another 500 gigs if you share this with other people and they do the installation. So this is Degoo. It might not be as totally advanced as a Google Drive or a Dropbox, but it's phenomenal storage space and it's excellent. It's been developed by, I think these are Swedish guys in the Degoo team. Their servers are positioned all over the world and their security is their prime number one. I think they rate the fact that if you think of Degoo, you're thinking of a vault, secure vault, versus a Dropbox would be considered as a shelf on a cabinet in your office. You know, that's the security comparison they do. The one is locked away and the other one is basically open to most people. Anyhow, so Degoo is there, and this is the deals that they have. So you can link it up on 3 devices for totally free, and then of course you're paid for service. You can add lots of other features. It's there for getting your photos and your data uploaded into the cloud automatically. And this is the packages that they have, and this is what is incredible. Yes, you haven't seen incorrectly, it's 100 gigabytes free. So you can have that on 3 devices. The 500 gigabyte referral bonus, and I've got a link down at the bottom with my link in, so I probably could start getting also additional space. I've got over 100 gigs of storage. I think I've got 120 or 30 already from just sharing it with friends. So if you share it with an individual friend, you get an extra 5 gigs. There's encryption. Here, if you don't access your account, then it warns you. It says, listen here, this is going to be deleted if you have 0 activity, which I think is fair. You can't just put stuff in there and never worry about it again. If you want to do that, you can get the 500 gig package. So here, literally, I think you get a week or 2 weeks before the time, you get notified, you just log in and that's it. It picks up another 90 days. And that's a very small price to pay for a free 100 gigs or ultimately a free 600 gigs. So this is totally free. One limitation I find with this is if you want to upload files that are bigger than 500 megs at a time, there might be that limitation there. But it's primarily there for, you know, everything 500 megs and down. This is an awesome solution. If you're looking for free space, incredible. I use this 100 gig package all the time. It is quite awesome. Okay, and then it runs on mobile devices. Remember, the free one can be on 3 devices at the same time. So let me just show you, I think, so when you log in, you have the same interface, and I'll go to files here at the bottom. The user interface is not kind of very modern and fancy, but I'm sure that it will serve you well. There's Moments, which is your photos that you have, files and shared. So you can go through these here. Let me just show you what I use it mostly for. So this is my 2020 file uploads. So if I do a backup of a particular folder, this is my Asus laptop. These are clients' work. You won't be seeing their actual work. I'm just showing you the folders. So there's folders with stuff in. Maybe I'll choose one of my own ones so that you don't see any client stuff. Let me see. Okay, let me go here to Skillworks. Okay, so here's all subfolders here. So I've backed up everything into these folders. You can create new folders, upload old folders, and the usual thing. So here we're sitting with 100 gigabytes of free storage. Okay, so I'm going to just go here. Let me go to settings and see what we have here. So here's Degoo free. At the moment, I'm using 10% of my 158 gigs, and I can get this extra space. And I think I'm sure some of you use my link will help me get a bit more space there. Yeah, so that's it. How I log in, let me just log out. You simply come to, let me just go into Degoo. You come to the site like this, lovely picture on the front, and I link with my Google account, my Google address. I've got a few client stuff that I run with here. So that's my one. And there we are. Right into the program and go to files at the bottom. And of course, you're seeing this because you're on the free version. If you had the paid versions, you'll log straight into it. Okay, so there we go. And there I'm up and running all my files. So hopefully this gives you a great opportunity to have total free storage. I don't think there's anybody out there that's giving 100 gigs of storage space, cloud storage, for free, or with the potential of pushing it up to 600 gigs. So have a fantastic day and hope to see you on board in Daegu. May Elohim bless you.